Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So for today's video, yes, you can see my tripod. This was the best that I could do in terms of ghetto rigging my phone. But anyways, I have a very exciting unboxing for all of you. So this came from Hawaii, and as many of you know, I bought a chunky planner. So the only thing that I've done is I've taken off the address label because, you know, it has my address on it. And also I took off the tracking number just because, you know, I don't really need people to know where I live. But I ordered this the last time she restocked, and ever since I heard that she had 30mm rings, I was like, hook me up, darling. So it's so cute because she actually put little washi on there, and it has, I don't even know. I think that's supposed to be like Snow White or something, but there's like cute little bunnies and little animals, that kind of thing. So let's open this lady up and see what she looks like. That sounds so wrong on so many levels, but y'all know what I mean. So let me get my scissors. Okay. All right, I don't know what kind of tape she used other than the washi, but good Lord. All right, guys, here we go. Got some nice tissue paper. Oh, look at that, that's nice. She put packing peanuts in here just to, you know, kind of make sure it's safe and tucked away in there. Because honestly, it did come all the way across the country. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. And the one that I got, I think was, it's like a baby pink vinyl on the outside, I think is what it is. And then like a faux crocodile on the inside. So it's in a nice cellophane bag, and it says thank you. Cute little heart sticker. And I think I mentioned to you guys before that the lady who makes these only makes a certain amount at a time. And I followed the advice of other people who had commented on her other posts by turning on my notifications. So the way that I actually ended up getting this was crazy, because I was on Instagram and I was looking at pictures of dogs like I always do. And basically what happened was I was done looking at stories, and then I just noticed like 30 seconds ago she posted that there were more ready to be ordered. So as soon as I could, I grabbed my wallet, you know, put in my information and all that, and we were in business. So these are really well made. Like, that's what I'm seeing just on, you know, first take. And yeah, this looks really well made. I'm guessing she's doing this by machine because her stitching looks impeccable. But it does come with like a band. So this is the closure that it comes with. And I kind of like that just because, you know, it's the best of both worlds. You kind of get like a TN feel with it, but it is in fact a ring bound. So this is what it looks like when you open it, and it comes with a cute little pen loop that matches the inside of the planner. So that is definitely going to be very helpful. And then she has a little card in here. It says thank you for your purchase, and that is her Instagram and her shop name, which, by the way, I will have this linked in the description box below. But it also has this cute little hello thing. So it says, hello gorgeous, thank you so much for your purchase. Here are some instructions on how to adjust your elastic band if you prefer it tighter or looser. Take the ring mechanism off. Okay, I didn't know that this was adjustable. That's pretty cool. Take the ring mechanism off with a screwdriver and pull out the elastic just a little so you can adjust the knot to get it tighter. Tie a knot further down the elastics. If you want it looser, tie a knot further up. Here's a tip. You don't need to pull the elastics all the way out. Just pull it out enough to untie the knot. It'll make it easier that way. You can also remove it and replace it with an elastic of your choice. Change it up from time to time and give it a new look. Any 2mm round elastic will work. Have fun setting up your new chunky planner, filler up till you get that chunk. I love to see your setups and accessorized chunky planners. So don't forget to tag me and use hashtag the chunky planner so we can all get some planner inspo from each other. With all my planner love, Hillary. So if you guys didn't already know, she is she's a mom. So obviously she's busy. I think she has like 2 kids. So she makes these in her spare time, and just look at how amazing it is. So you have like a little baby pocket right here, one right here, and then you have kind of like a larger pocket in the back. So this is gonna be a lot of fun, and you can actually see the elastic underneath the ring mechanism, so that's pretty cool. Personally, I don't think I'm gonna mess with the elastic just because I don't really feel like taking this apart right now. But what I am going to do is I am going to start moving all of my stuff in here. So my planner layout, setup, whatever you want to call it, hasn't changed since the last time I shared it with y'all. So let me just transfer everything over, and then I will come back and show you guys what everything looks like set up. Okay guys, so here we are with my empty original, which I think this might become kind of like I want to say like a financial type of planner, something like that. Planning with Aloe on Instagram kind of gave me that idea because she has a financial planner in like a Kate Spade. I think it's like a personal size. So that's kind of where I got that inspo from. And just because I'm trying to be more on top of things, I thought it would be nice to put that in here. Probably also going to put stuff like some of my contacts in here as well. You know, just the more sensitive information that I don't want to like travel and take with me, that type of thing. I already let you guys know that I will not be traveling with any kind of a planner because I will be gone for the entire month and change of September, and I'm not even gonna have time to post videos on this kind of thing. I will also not have the means to update things. So, you know, this was kind of my last hurrah before I end up having to be without some sort of a planning system for 5 weeks. But this is what it looks like. I apologize for the lighting. I already had to close the blinds, and I guess that was not enough, or at least it doesn't look like it is on camera. So I did add in my little thing, the law of allowing, and already, you know, you can see how much room I have left. So in my original, I was kind of reaching capacity, at least what I consider capacity. So for this, I still have a decent way to go. But like I said, because I'm going to be taking things out of here and gutting it a little bit, this is just going to get a little bit skinnier, which is fine because that just means I can add more inserts. So anyways, I am really liking this, especially with my dashboard. This, even though it's not real leather, it feels very, very nice. I tend to be very picky when it comes to, you know, the way certain things feel. I tend to cringe if I feel something like microfiber, and I don't know why. It doesn't feel good to me. But this feels very nice and kind of buttery in a way. It's just very smooth. And then the outside, which is the vinyl, of course, is just really nice and smooth. So I am very, very excited to have fun with this chica. And I feel like I'm turning into Jeffree Star because I'm just going to start saying, let's open her up. But this is just, I'm beside myself. Like, this is one of the best things that I've ever decided to buy. So let me just open this, the little pen loop, really quickly. Which, by the way, look at how cute that tape is. There's a cute little teddy bear on there. All right, let's open this little dude up. So I've actually made these before, but with like elastic. So all you do is you take a binder clip, whatever size you want, and then you take, you know, either some fabric or, like I said, some elastic that you can get at like Joann's or Michael's or whatever, and you just hot glue it on both sides, and it's a very nice like makeshift pen holder. So I don't really know if I'm going to use this just because I don't like clipping things onto my dividers or anything like that. So I might just keep this, you know, in the bag. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I don't really feel the need to have have a pen clipped to my planner. You guys know I'm not really a fan of that anyways. So I just wanted to show you guys what it was, but this is so exciting, you guys. I almost don't want to leave my apartment now just because I have this and I just want to play with it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will have her shop linked in the description box down below. And if you have any questions for me, please let me know. By the way, I just want to stress one thing above all else. You are not able to pick the colors. So if you want one of her planners, you basically get whatever she makes. Unless you can buy it off of somebody who purchased one, or, you know, you want to do a swap or whatever. And there are people who they've purchased one, but they ended up not liking the color combination. So just be aware of that when you're looking to purchase one of her planners. There are also no returns or exchanges. So keep that in mind as well. Hi, Mochi. My baby cat saying hi to me. Hi, Bubba. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.